there is a voice is also there, voice recorded books are there, then it will be very easy to learn and understand the subject. You can very well imagine if you are going through the books, reading through computer screen, it is very tensionful, and you will not be, you will be appreciating if the books are on voice form. Then we should have each school should have the computers, it should be connected by the LAN, and now as far as the software is there, it could be purchased or it could be developed in-house, but whatever the way you are going for, there should be the provision of AMC for 2 to 3 years. By the time the school is getting stabilized, because what we have seen, most of the time the persons has developed the software, but AMC, when it is coming to AMC, we are not getting the support and our whole idea is not served. And what we are suggesting that we should go for the open source like Linux, PostgreSQL, because what we are finding, if we are working with the Microsoft technologies, these are prone to virus. And most of the time our lot of efforts are going in protecting the system. While if you are going for the open source like Linux or PostgreSQL, then definitely it can help you in managing your database properly. Now, as far as the design issues are concerned, what we are saying, the application should be web-based. The advantage with that is web-based application can be run on single machine, it can be run on intranet or internet, whatever the way it is. And sensitive information should not be kept on the LAN. Images should not be the part of the database, because what I have seen in most of the places, the people are keeping the images into the database, and the images are increasing the size of the database, and because of that, database handling is becoming difficult. So what we can say that all the images, video clips, these can be kept separately into a directory where we can access as and when required. Second thing, if we are going for the online payment through internet, the system should be fully secured, because if it is not secured, then we are going to have the problem in future. Then security. Again, most of the time, suppose if we are having all the information on the internet, then and nowadays again the problems of virus and hackers are there. So we should have a strong provision of the firewalls. And what the services which are not in use, those can be disabled. And if we have whatever the system, whether it is Windows or Linux, we should have antivirus solutions with us. And development of software under Linux or Unix environment is definitely a reliable, secure and safe working. Rather, if we are going to work with the Windows definitely development is easier, but we are having the problem of the security and the viruses. Then, suppose if we wanted to go for the information updation, in that case, we can go for proper authentication and authorization, and we can go for the digital signature and biometric authentication processes. Because if we are having these type of things, then we can ensure that the data is not being updated by wrong persons. And we should allow only online viewing of the information. We should not allow online updation of the data. Now what I am suggesting, if we are having the database of such type, then later on we can link all the school with their respective boards like CBSE, ICSE, and at any point of time if the verification of the documents are required, then it could be done. Second thing, it would also assist in the recruitment process, and definitely if we are having such databases, these will help to resolve various social issues. Like if we are having all the details of the students on internet, definitely it will be having an age, and we can come to know what is his background, which otherwise is not able to known to us. Right, thank you.